Now a drama has came on the market named Queen Wo, which has 8 episodes, but currently only 4 episodes have been released. The remaining 4 episodes I think will be released on 12 September. Let me tell you, this drama is not one to watch with family as it is filled with extreme scenes, or rather there is a lot of nudity shown. So don't even think about watching it with your family, or else you will get brutally scolded by them. The story of the series is simple, where there's a king and a queen, and due to internal politics someone kills the king and now the queen tries to escape from that empire. This series especially targets a certain kind of audience, particularly those who have a strong interest in naughty content. If you fall into that category, you should watch this series, or rather this K-drama, at least once. Believe me, you will not have any regrets, but keep one thing in mind: the material that you will get to see in this drama will make that part of you stand where there is no bone, but at the same time the continuation of the story will also be maintained like Game of Thrones. It's not like you should go into this drama with the mindset that you only get to see naughty kind of stuff. Along with a normal story, you will also get to see the characters related to it. If you want to bring out the heat inside you, then you can go watch this series. Otherwise, its stuff felt to me of a predictable type, and the story also did not seem anything special to me. Yes, some things were engaging, but still the story was very predictable and very simple, and the makers knew this very well, so they include a lot of adult scenes so that the audience remains engaged and does not go anywhere. You will get to see a brutal kind of action in this series, like the first shot itself very brutal, the neck cutting scenes. So from an action point of view also you can decide to watch this series. You will feel emotional for the actress who is playing the role of queen, seeing the situations in which she is trapped. So far, nothing particularly impressive have been shown in the first 4 episodes, which might be why I have not enjoyed the story that much. Maybe the upcoming 4 episodes will offer something better, as the main storyline has just now been set up. Maybe I'll bring another review once it's fully released, but for now I'll just say this: if you want to watch a K-drama filled with lot of bold content similar to the situations in Game of Thrones, but in a Korean version where you get to see internal conflicts within an empire and a strong political angle with characters determined to get the throne at any cost, then you can enjoy this series by sitting in any corner of your room. Anyway, that's my take. What's your opinion on this? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching this review.